Hello guys, welcome to What's Promo app. Today we can see in this video why and how we can use What's Promo app. Firstly, we can see what is What's Promo app and why we have to use this app. What's Promo app is a tool through which we can send messages in bulk. In bulk means we can send many messages with just few clicks. Now you think that we can send messages through groups or broadcasting also, but sending messages in groups we have to face problems. First drawback is that in groups you can add maximum 256 members, and in groups everyone can see your messages. Or groups, in groups we can send messages when we are admins. Benefit of using What's Promo app is that you can send messages to whom you want to send. Secondly, we can send messages through broadcasting, but in broadcasting you can send messages one by one. It is hard and it takes more time. Suppose a person is added to your contact list, but your number is not added to there. Through What's Promo app we can send messages to everyone whether your number is not saved in their contact list. There are many features of What's Promo app. Through What's Promo app, you can send messages with just few clicks. For this, you just have to add contacts, type messages and send in one click. You can import your contacts directly. Send what you want without approvals. You can also send links of your websites and other links through What's Promo app. Send photos hassle free. Unsubscribe with a message. Suppose anyone, your customer, your relative, who don't want that you can send messages to them, then they can simply send you unsubscribe message so that you don't send messages to them in future. Check delivery reports. Now we can see how to use this app. Skip these screenshots. Enter your mobile number. Send OTP. Wait for OTP. Verify. Restoring backup. I have already signed up, so it's logged in. New user have to sign up to log in. We can see here groups, contacts, templates, send message, send history, FAQs. We will start from groups. How to make groups. Click on groups. I had already made a group. To make new group, click on add group. Group name, suppose we enter family, then save family group. Here we can see that our family group is made. Add group, add contacts. Here we enter contact name, select country, India, contact number, then save. One contact is added. Then we see three options here. First, edit group. From here we can edit group. We can change this name. Second is import contacts. You can import contacts from here. If we have to add these all contacts, then check all and then add all contacts. Loading. Now all my contacts are imported to family group. Now you can also create a new group and add all these contacts to that group. Now we create another group name business, save. There are also 0 contacts. To add contacts, click on business. We import this contact from text file. Our text file should be like this. First of all, name, comma, plus mobile number with country code, or else mobile number with country code. Select file, search for your file. Here we can search our file. My file name is contact.txt. I select it. I found 500 contacts here. If you want to import this contact to a new group, then you can do, or else select business, import contacts, then loading. All our contacts are loading to import. Now we can see unknown here because I don't added number with name. Then go back. First of all, we can see all contacts here, all contacts which added or imported to family groups to business group. Find more options here or also add contacts manually. Now go back. In templates, we can create templates. We can create templates which we can use again and again. Here you can type any message. I type Happy New Year. Dear, hashtag, any name which you want to type, plus Happy New Year, and then save it. We can use these templates when we have to send messages. Now we come to send message option. Here I see groups. Before it, I go to some settings. In more options, I get my account information. From here, we can also edit, share, log out. In settings, you choose which WhatsApps you want to select. I select first WhatsApp. What my daily limit? I put 5000 here. One short time 10. Send message gap. Send message time gap. Sometime our net processing is slow. In that case, we can increase this process. Now I go back to send message. In send message, here I see 3 contacts in ABCD group. I want to send message to them. Now I use the template here which I save. Select picture from here if you want to select any picture. Here go. We select picture, crop, and then send. If you want your subscribe to send you a message to unsubscribe, then add option to unsubscribe. Start. Accessibility service is not running. You have to run accessibility service here. Benefit of running accessibility service is that What's Promo app automatically send messages to WhatsApp. Okay, then here I see What's Promo app. Click on to run accessibility service. Now we go back and we start send. What's Promo app started sending messages to Sukpal. Dear Sukpal 1, dear Priya. Done. Now we go to send history option. In send history, we can see to how many people we sent this message and to how many people it sent. In WhatsApp type, it's WhatsApp. In FAQs, here are some questions given, how it works. If you have any doubt, any problem, then you can check here. And from direct button, you can simply write contact number. Use template, otherwise write any message. Start and then send. Then go back to more option. Here you see your all information. You can edit your information here. Then share your cart. Words plans. You can purchase words promo plans from here. In settings, you can set limits from here. In cloud backup, backup is automatically done. About app, in about app you can see about our words promo app. If you find any problem while using our words promo app, then tell us in comment box. You can also give us feedback by sending mails to our mail ID. Thanks for watching.